Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a local repository so your changes are tracked. Initialize Git in the project folder, configure your username and email so commits attribute correctly, and create a gitignore to avoid committing secrets. Once done, stage files with git add and make an initial commit with a clear message. This provides a safe starting point and a logical snapshot you can push to GitHub. These steps ensure your history is clean and reproducible before connecting to a remote. Next, connect your local repo to GitHub so others can access your code. Create a remote repository on GitHub and add it locally with git remote add origin followed by the repository URL. Then push your branch, for example git push uorigin main. This sets the upstream so future pushes are simpler. If you use SSH keys or a personal access token, authenticate accordingly. Make sure branch names match and resolve any merge conflicts locally before pushing to avoid. Finally, share your code and keep it updated. Create branches for new work, push them, and open a pull request on GitHub to review changes. This encourages collaboration. For routine updates, edit files, stage them, commit with clear messages, and push. Branches keep history tidy. If a push fails because the remote has new commits, pull first, merge or rebase, resolve conflicts locally, then push again. One key troubleshooting tip: always resolve merge conflicts thoughtfully and test before pushing to avoid breaking the main.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.